Most people think doing hard things requires motivation. They're wrong. Motivation is completely unreliable. Building your life on motivation is like building a house on a cloud. But there's a secret, a way to trick your lazy brain into doing hard things. A method used by some of your favorite athletes, founders, and creatives. It's called the pre-commitment protocol. According to neuroscience, your brain has two parts, the planner and the doer. The planner makes great plans at night. Tomorrow, we run at 6 a.m. But when the alarm rings, the doer takes over. It's cold. We're tired. Let's just complete our 8 hours of sleep. Trying to find motivation is the planner trying to reason with the doer, and you will always lose that argument. The pre-commitment protocol is different. It's the planner making a decision the doer can't undo. Let me make it easy for you with these examples. Steve Jobs wearing the same black turtleneck every day? That's pre-commitment. He removed the daily decision of what to wear, so his brain had no argument. David Goggins laying out his running shoes the night before. That's pre-commitment too. He sets the stage so his morning self can't back out. They weren't more motivated than you. They just built a system where motivation wasn't required. Here's the one trick I personally use. It may sound corny, but trust me, it works the moment you feel resistance. The decision has already been made. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. The night before, you pre-commit. Your planner self makes the decision. I am running at 6 a.m. Not I'll try. I am. You write it down. You set out your shoes. The decision is locked in. Step 2. As soon as your brain starts running its excuses, cut it off midway. The alarm rings. Your doer brain starts its tantrum. But I'm tired. Just 5 more minutes. This is the critical moment. You don't argue. You don't negotiate. You simply state the fact. The decision has already been made. There's no new discussion. The debate is over. You pre-committed. All that's left is to execute. Let's say you need to clean your entire garage. The scale is overwhelming. Your brain is screaming, no. And you're just standing there. You have 5 seconds to decide what you're going to do. 5, 4, 3, time's up. If you said, I'm gonna clean the garage, that's a negotiation you'll probably lose. But if the decision was already made that you will clean, the only question is, what's the first tiniest physical motion? Picking up one trash bag. That's it. You don't have to clean the whole thing. You just have to pick up the bag. The decision for the rest was already made. See, you won't always feel motivated. In fact, you will always feel resistance. The difference is, you'll stop having the same losing argument with yourself. You'll replace a debate with a declaration. The decision has already been made.